All right, we just wanted to mention the CTP here. It's Complete Truth Protein. That's the product that we developed. We mention this sometimes, and sometimes we don't. But we just wanted to throw it out there in case you haven't got a chance to try it or you're not sure what it is. This is a whole food supplement that we've developed ourselves. It's made with quinoa and hemp seeds. So very clean. It's made with whole food. You can throw it in baking or smoothies. And we have 2 different products, 2 different brands. They're all gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and GMO-free. So if you're interested, you can let us know, but it's a great way to energize your body, energize your day in smoothies. And then our other product here in front of us is better for baking, which goes along very nicely with our recipe that we have coming up.
Yes. Just a quick note about the Complete Truth Protein as well. If you are new to trying it, make sure it's stored in the fridge.
Always a good point.
Yeah.
No preservatives, no additives. It's food supplement, so think of it as any type of food that you would store in the fridge, like vegetables, for example. You wouldn't leave them on the counter because they would go wilty. So you want to keep CTP in the fridge.
Because it's food.
A recipe.
Our recipe of the week is quite a famous one, I would say. It's one of our first recipes that we've developed with Complete Truth Protein. So it's the Complete Truth Protein protein balls. Complete Truth Protein balls. Protein.
Oh my, that's Dorothy laughing at herself.
Anyway, the reason why I love these ones so much is because there's no baking involved. You just throw all the ingredients in a bowl, mix it all together, roll them up, and then you're good to go. So it's very quick and easy, and they're nice on the go. You know, you can store them in the fridge or in the freezer. If you are rushing around in the morning for breakfast, grab a piece of fruit, grab a couple of protein balls, and off you go. Or same thing for snacks or after workout, before workout. They're just so easy. So to make them, you just put rolled oats and Complete Truth Protein, natural peanut butter, maple syrup or honey in a bowl, and you just mix it into a big giant ball. And then from there you take a tablespoon or a little bit smaller than a tablespoon depending on what size you want them, and you roll them into balls, bite-sized pieces.
And that's it.
You can add all kinds of nuts, seeds that you want. That we like to put hemp seeds in them, coconut sometimes.
Or were you talking about like rolling them?
Yeah.
Or inside?
You can put them inside, or you could roll them in them.
Yeah.
It's faster if you just put the nuts and seeds in the mixture instead of rolling them. But if you want to make them fancy sometimes for guests or something, you could roll them in the hemp seeds or the coconut as well. Super quick, super easy, and tons of nutrients because they have all of your all your essential nutrients.
Yeah, and they're amazing. People love them. We bring them to events. We've taken them to trade shows. And if you like peanut butter, and most people do,
yes,
you'll love these.
Yeah, you can actually add a little chocolate chips if you want. Kids love that. The chocolate chips in them, raisins, anything. You just have the base, and then you can really make it your own.